How's it going, everyone? It's Jed. Hope everyone had a great weekend. For those that have today off, it's Memorial Day. It's a holiday in the States. Um, but yeah, on to Bitcoin. So what's going on with Bitcoin right now? Let's look on a macro time frame. Just go on the daily and see what's going on here. Okay, so right now there's a bunch of lines, right? Different color codes. Um, But, if you just look at the overall structure here, mainly this 4-hour downtrend, you can still see it's under suppression. So, now that we have that, we can actually now delete this uptrend because that is invalid, along with this as well. That's been tested. We can delete a lot of these levels. I still have this 1 hour here. We can delete this here, and we can delete this as well. We have some 15-minute levels here that we marked quite some time ago, and as you can see, everything has just been pretty much just hit perfectly on the dot, right? So, again, stick with the very basic levels, guys. Everyone here should be masters at marking, right, your swing lows. Pretty basic stuff over here. And keep in mind, guys, these are all tested levels. So if Bitcoin were to break below this 1 hour uptrend, we could definitely see it break down fairly quickly. But let me just make these dotted because these are all tested levels. Okay. All right. Okay. Beginner stuff, guys. All right. We have this 1 hour uptrend. Here we go. And 28.3K was tested as predicted. Again, there's a lot of levels here that you could have marked in the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame, but you really have to get down to the nitty gritty and sit down and really think of it psychologically to understand what levels are the sell points that you can make the most money out of. What's the most efficient sell? What's the most efficient buy? Right, guys? If you're just a regular, investor slash not even a trader, I'd still consider yeah, I guess you could say like a swing trader. The basic levels, swing lows and swing highs are great. And trust me, you can make an enormous amount of money just by understanding the basics. But again, if you want to get down into the small time frames, you're gonna have to understand the whole structure and the picture of what's going on with trend, and the possibility that can hit certain levels like this 28.3K level, which was hit along with this downtrend suppression. But anyway, we're on the 1 hour time frame. Again, very basic stuff over here. Let's just make these orange. Okay, and then for anyone that's interested, you can go here locally. So we can see here we have an apex inside of this zone here. So let me just circle this for you guys as well and take off the magnet tool. Okay. So we have this apex here. And on the 1 hour, it is breaking below it. So now it's acting as resistance. So we can see now it's entering an accumulation to break out of the apex. Again, basic stuff. In hopes that it would eventually break out of this 4-hour downtrend. Okay. Personally, I can probably see it. We're gonna have to test some levels first before it can break out of that. So, just off the fly, we have the swing high here. So, of course, that'll be the first level to touch. But again, these uptrends are very, very important. So, yeah, that's the Bitcoin update, guys. Again, nothing much has really changed. Again, 28K point 3 level was the level, and I got hit. And now that I got hit, we can expect it fall down, right? What comes out to accumulation, distribution. Okay, so don't forget about that. And yeah, see you in the altcoin update, guys. Bye.